Men are struggling, communities are breaking down, society is under strain. So many men lack purpose, passion, or a sense of belonging. It's become normal to turn to drink, drugs, sex, porn, money, power, abuse, or victimhood as a way of coping. Yohann Hari said the opposite of addiction is not sobriety. The opposite of addiction is connection. Men's groups provide the social medicine that men need. Suicide is the biggest killer of men under 50. Somewhere in the world, a man takes his own life every 40 seconds. This has got to stop. Instead of being honest about their struggles, many men protect themselves behind masks. Some men hide behind the armor of muscles. Some play martyr or Mr. Nice Guy, trying to please people while neglecting their own needs and being unavailable to receive love. Some distract themselves with success, sucked into the rat race, but they can't ignore the niggling feeling that something is missing. Is this all there is to life? The sad reality is that most men haven't had anyone to show them how to be a solid and sound man and meet life's challenges in a healthy way. Instead, they've been taught to be stoic, to have a stiff upper lip and crack on and deal with it like a man. And so they shout to be heard, taking it out on those they love, or withdraw because no one would care enough to get it anyway, or try to fill their emptiness with egotistical exploits. It's time for men to drop the act and man up and talk about it. Men's groups provide men with a space to connect, to hang out, be heard, and get real. In a nutshell, it's men sitting together, speaking, listening, and learning from each other's experiences. It's non-hierarchical, and we don't tell each other what to do. It's a place to explore who we are, who we no longer need to be, and how we can lead better, fuller lives. A place where we can show up with authenticity. A place without a pecking order, judgment, blame, or shame, where everybody knows your name. In a GQ feature article, Tony Parsons called Menspeak men's groups press-ups for the mind and circuit training for the soul. Wherever you are on your path of self-discovery, men's groups can provide a tribe to support you and help you find peace, purpose, and passion in life. Your purpose might be to hold your own groups with your friends, neighbors, colleagues, in your community, where you work, rest, or play sports, music, or do what you love to do. What a gift to bring to those you care for, or simply apply the tools to your daily life. These are vital tools for therapists, coaches, caregivers, and leaders of men. To kick things off, go to mensgroups.co.uk or search for a men's group near you.